Hey y'all, welcome back. All right, so I'm getting ready to put some spinach on, and the first thing we want to do is put some onion powder in our water. Put as much or as little as you like. When it comes to the powders, I like to put a lot. That was onion powder, garlic powder, pepper, salt, okay, so for the spinach, this is some salt water with garlic powder, onion powder, black pepper, and salt. I'm gonna put some onion in here. Well, I wasn't trying to do that. I like my onion and my spinach to be a little choppy. But you do you, boo. Do you, boo. You do you. I did not rinse my spinach today. Yeah, we're gonna do some pork chops. I have this heated at 350. I have rinsed and cleaned my pork chops. And have you ever had a day where you just forget to get stuff? Well, I forgot to get some flour, so I'm using some Louisiana fish fry. This water is clean. I mean, it's fresh water. Put that in there and shake it all around. This is already seasoned. So I don't have to do much to it. But make sure that fish fry is all on that bad boy. Y'all see that? It's nice and coated. Pop it on in there and let it fry. All right, so my oil has calmed down. I'm assuming my pork chop is done. I'm gonna let it cook just a little bit longer. I don't want it to dry out. I just want it to be crispy and done. Y'all see it? Let that rest. Now that that spinach is starting to cook, let's add our butter. I like a whole lot. But y'all do what y'all do. All right, family. Thank you so much for watching. As you can see, that pork chop was super easy to make. All I did was clean it and then put the Louisiana fish fry on it. And baby, let me tell you, not having to use any seasoning or anything like that, this pork chop was perfection. It was so tasty. In fact, I think I'm gonna start making my pork chops like this from now on. The spinach was super easy to make, and then I just cooked a box of Velveeta shells and cheese and called it a day.